Hey guys, I'm back again, and I didn't get any dumplings, but I got something new, and it looks kind of big. So let's see what it is. You see it? Okay. Let's open it. I don't want to mess up the box. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think this is the instructions and stuff. That's the box. Oh, it's so soft. Let's see. We got some glasses. You see? It's so cute. And it got a pacifier, or a little milk. And it got a hat. And it got cheese. I really like it. It's so cute. And it's really soft. And guys, can you make me TikTok famous so I can get more views and stuff? Bye guys.